Robin Kay, and today I'm going to be doing this Thankful Blessed transfer, and I'm going to be putting it on our Bistro spinner board, and this comes apart so you can easily chalk on it. And the colors I'm going to be using are Copper, Harvest, and Olive Shimmer, and Orange Peel. And I'm going to be chalking on both sides of this board. So let's get started. I like the way it turned out. It's a little different. This kind of messed up on this side. But one thing about this board is it is reusable, so you just use a board eraser and some water and just wipe it off. And thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe below, and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.